Meaning of inner.
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 Inner. The word inner can have several different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it refers to something that is located inside or within a particular boundary or surface. It can also be used to describe a person's private thoughts, emotions, or personality traits that are not easily visible to others. In physics, inner can refer to the central part of an object or the core of an atomic particle. Overall, inner describes something that is situated internally or deeply embedded within an entity or individual.